This is a review of the Indesit DFP27T94 dishwasher. As you can see, it's a freestanding, full-size domestic dishwasher. It has a good sized capacity with adjustable racks, tip-up sections and a foldable cutlery tray lid, all of which provide flexibility to accommodate different loads. Loading straightforward, and the tablets are placed in and then clicked into place. There are 7 programs which are easy to use. You simply select a program, decide if you want to use the half load or delayed start option and press start. The first thing we noticed when we first tried out the dishwasher is that it's very, very quiet. In terms of performance, it cleans really well. This wash was on a normal setting and everything's really clean without any residue or streaks, so that's great. Most items dry well. Some have minimal drops of water on them, but they tend to be plastic things. In the instructions, it says to improve drying performance, you can adjust the rinse aid setting. Adjusting the rinse aid settings and the salt settings have been the only things that we've struggled with on this machine, as it seems a little fiddly. When the dishwasher is empty, you can see the different adjustments available. The upper rack can be moved up and down, and it has removable parts for glasses and cups. The lower rack has tip-up sections. These are really useful for larger pans. The cutlery tray can also be adjusted. Overall, it's a quiet, good performing dishwasher with a high efficiency rating. It's really easy to use and definitely suitable for a growing family.